This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. Okay, you're asking yourself, Ray, what the hell did you go and get now? Well, it's pretty simple really. I had a couple of trains of thought going here. I have my Rock Pals 300 watt solar generator, and to get out camping and everything else like that, what are you going to do? You're going to put it down inside your tent, inside your shelter, or outside on the ground, and you know, you got dirt, no telling what else out there. So I really wasn't that thrilled with doing that. I would like to protect it a little bit, so I picked this up. This right here is a little ditty I found. One of the people I'm sub to, I didn't find it, they use it. So I thought, no, that's a good idea. So here it is. And it's just a quick little folding table. It just sits there just like that. And I could cook on it, I set my Rock Pals on it, I do all kinds of stuff with it. If I don't want to carry the sport near table that I showed you before in another video, I can carry this small enough, I can stick it in my backpack, big enough, I can take and cook on it if need be. But like I say, the main thing was to be able to put Rock Pals on it, and it gives it a fairly decent size, so I can keep it up off the ground, keep it a little cleaner, everything else like that. Oh yeah, y'all are wondering what the hell is that? Let me turn it around here and you can see it on the other camera here. Let's do a close-up of it. I just decided to be a little funny, something a little off the wall, so I could stick in that just wherever it went. Where'd it go? What did it do? Roll off? Nope, there it is. Lost it. It just a little plug, aluminum anodized plug, so that I can stick it in this 12-volt socket and protect that a little bit, keep junk, dirt, whatever from getting inside there, and just be funny at the same time. So, but anyway, the little table, I'm really happy with it. I haven't had it long. I haven't really been testing with it a lot. What's there to test? It's a little table. I got it to set that on. It works. So, but I thought the form factor of it was pretty cool, that it was so small and easy enough to carry and easy enough to fold up. I just fold it shut like that. The legs flop down and push in. Then it just slides back into the bag. And the bag is a kind of a Cordura type nylon bag. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I don't think it's Cordura, but it's a fairly heavy duty bag. It's a nice one. So anyway, I thought I would just share this with y'all. And for anyone that wants to use it while you're out camping, to cook on or whatever, so it gives you flat level ground, you know, at least you can do that. Or if you want to have a little nightstand in your tent, whatever. Multi-purpose. So thought I'd share that, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Until then, y'all be careful out there and be safe. Later.
I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.